Hi, I'm Byron.
And I'm Sharnice, and we're the Mobile Home Elite Investors. We are so happy to present mobile home investing in all 49 states.
Yes, each week we'll be dropping a new video discussing an individual state and how lucrative mobile home investing is in each state.
Are you ready to learn about mobile home investing across the United States? Stay tuned. So this week we are talking about Pennsylvania.
Yes, Pennsylvania, the home of Philadelphia, Pittsburgh, right? All the great cities in Pennsylvania.
Yes, so mobile home investing is so lucrative in the state of Pennsylvania. Why? You guys are in the top 10, okay, amongst the top 10 states across the United States of how many mobile home parks you have in your state. So in PA alone, you have over 1,500 mobile home communities in your state.
Yes, over 1,500. I always ask you guys, the first question you need to ask, do I know a mobile home investor? If the answer is no, that means it is so much opportunity. Here's why it's so much opportunity, right? We want to talk about affordability when it comes to the affordable housing crisis, right? So right now, the average or the median price for a single family home is right in that $176,000 mark, right? Your average rents right now, you guys are looking at right at like that $1,161 range, okay? So you think about it, affordable housing, this is where mobile homes comes to place. How can you service a need-based market? Mobile homes.
Yes, now let's talk about some hot markets in PA. Now, Pittsburgh is going to be your hottest market when it comes to mobile home investing. But in the state of Pennsylvania alone, 11% of your population is living in mobile homes.
Yes, and let's talk about Pittsburgh, right? Pittsburgh has had a lot of new development, right? Which means what? It brings in jobs. So when you talk about those surrounding anything that's 30 miles or so from it, people are going to need an affordable place to live. A perfect opportunity not only to look around there, right?
Yes. Now, like how we talk about in all of our states, when you're talking about those bigger cities like Philadelphia and Pittsburgh, you still are going to want to start driving for dollars and start looking outside of those major cities in those rural areas.
Yes. Now, here's one way you guys can look, right? I'm going to give you guys a gem since we on this, okay? So, mhvillage.com, okay? You need to go ahead and find Pennsylvania and sort it by counties, okay? You guys have so many rural counties that have literally, just a wealth of mobile homes. I'm going to go ahead and name some counties that you guys have that you probably never even thought about. And I'm not sure if you're on the west side of Pennsylvania or the east side, but you got Adams, right? You got Greene, you got Indiana, Lycoming, McKean County. You also have Monroe County, you have Perry County, Venango County, and Wayne County. Those right there are definitely places where we actually find a lot of mobile home data, and that you do have an abundance of mobile homes in some of those areas.
Yes. Now, Byron, I know you dropped a gem on our audience with mhvillage.com, but talk about one of our students' success and how they were able to find some mobile homes in the state of PA for under $5,000.
Yes. So she was looking for mobile homes, and she said, you know what? She's going to try a different source. So she went to a tax auction, okay? A tax auction. She said when she went to the tax auction, one of the things, they had some mobile homes. Nobody raised their hand to bid. She was just like, you know what? This is the place I need to be. She got her first mobile home for $2,000. Because here's one thing, right? Just similar to the Midwest, there's still stigmas that kind of go along with mobile homes, even all the way up to Pennsylvania, right? You hear the trailer trash, you hear all those stigmas when it comes to it. But at the end of the day, it is affordable housing. And that right there is so important. When you help somebody that is in need to not only get affordable housing, but give them an opportunity to get back on their feet with affordable payments or an affordable house, like that right there, you don't understand, goes just a very long way.
Yes, so you definitely want to talking about those stigmas. You definitely want to dispel those stigmas, right? So don't think about where you wouldn't live. Like Byron said, think about you are a helping hand, not only helping yourself and your financial situation, but also helping a family to secure affordable housing.
Yeah, so because think about it, we all know, right? The cost of living is going up, right? wages are staying the same. And even you guys in Pennsylvania have saw rents are really starting to go up. So be that person. Be that person to go out there, help someone affordable housing, and at the same time become an investor, which it's a win-win situation for us all.
Yes. So we hope you enjoyed this video on why mobile home investing is so lucrative in your individual state.
Yes. So if you like what you saw, make sure you hit that like button. If you want to see more videos on mobile home investing, hit that subscribe button. And if you need more information, hit that description. Links are there below. Listen, we're so excited for you to get started on your journey. And we always want to tell you guys, you are a mobile home investor.
So I'm Sharnice.
And I'm Byron.
And we're the Mobile Home Elite Investors.